Hey, this is Mac with PriceActionTradingSystem.com, and it's Monday. It's July 26th. This will be our chart lesson for today, and this is probably going to be one of the fastest chart lessons ever. I literally got 5 minutes to do this. I apologize. I almost wasn't going to do it, but it's fairly straightforward and fairly simple today. Really, it's an uptrend, and we have two measured legs up here. We didn't quite get the measured leg, but basically we got two legs up here. And this last leg, two, were, notice we come up, we get the break, and two legs up to a new high. Really, we just continue to kind of weekly move up here, and this is a lot of sideways to upward stuff here. So, uh, but it's relatively straightforward trades with an upward bias. So let's go through these real quickly. Like I said, I've got maybe 5 minutes here, and I apologize. I've got some personal stuff that have come up today that's kept me away most of the afternoon. I haven't had time to read anything on the forum. I've tried to keep up with most of the emails I could, but I'm just a little bit behind. But hopefully I can catch up tomorrow. But anyway, first trade I saw, we had this real strong leg up, and then we had this little two-legged correction here. There's really two legs back, and there's a triple. We made the low. We came back once. We came back twice. We really came back. There's almost another test here. We never really broke higher, so this is all one test. So it's like a double test or a triple test. It's a double test of this level. There's two legs back to the EMA and the trend line. You can clearly see that trend line working off those bars there. And if you caught that one trade, that's all you needed today. That was a great move up, great trade. Technically, it's not a second entry by the count, but you can clearly see too that there's two legs back there. But even if you don't like counting from the long side, you don't get what you want. You still get the triple test and the two legs back to the EMA, so it's still a good trade. And then of course we finally come up here. We get the first break, and then you get a first entry short, a second entry short. It's a little bit congested there, but with that move up, we're probably going to push to a new high. I was a little surprised we found that resistance there. You would have already been scalped out, so it wouldn't have mattered, but it's just something to uh, think about right there. So anyway, uh, I like that long. And then when it started going sideways, just stay out of that. You might have thought about going short here. I just think it's too early to go short. It's just a lower high, basically. It does break higher, I think, first and turn down. It's really tempting, but I'd skip that. And then, of course, we're going sideways again. I don't see anything here until we get the failed breakout. And generally, you want to wait on a high or a low, and you don't really get one till way here, and it's right into the eyes. So you really only get a chance to enter here if you want to be aggressive. I like these trades because these are often important lows, and you can see that was the low of the morning. We never went lower than that again. But even if you miss that one, you get a great opportunity here on two legs back, and we tested it again. And look at that bullish bar. If you just go long there, you get another move up. I don't know, depending on how you entered this, and you might or you might not get a runner on this one. Um, Depending on how you entered it, you might. And this one runs up, and it's a great move if you do catch a runner. Then you get a little second entry long right here. It's a little bit away from the EMA, but that's a strong move. And really, you've got another little triple bottom. I like going long there because you're probably going to push up to make a new high. And it does so rather quickly, and then we're moving lower again. But again, I don't see a good setup to get short here. There's no reversal pattern yet, drops through, but you don't get your failed second entry or anything. And you really get two legs back, and then just as quickly you get a failed second entry to the short side. Notice that low, and you try to go short once, you push straight through, you pull back, and it fails, goes higher. That's a great chance to get long. And you would hope you'd get another measured leg like this, but you don't. And then we're just kind of chopping along here. And then finally you get another second entry. You actually get a close outside this, what looks like a trend line here. But there's also another triple test there, a close outside. I like when it breaks higher right here, I like going long. And then you actually get the reversal right here, another chance to go long. And there's another second entry here, but we've already had a break and a new high. And this looks a little congested, so I'm a little afraid of it. And I just don't think you want to enter anything way up here this close to 3 o'clock. So that's what I saw today. And again, I apologize. I know that's really fast, and I moved through that really quickly, but it's all pretty straightforward. This is an uptrend, and really from here you would look for that next leg up. We didn't get anything like a measured leg, but it continued to have an upward bias the whole day. So again, sorry for the quick move, but I'm going to wrap this up. Hopefully I can get back to normal the rest of the week, but I'm done for today. This is Mac with PriceActionTradingSystem.com, and we'll see you next time.